you doing? Birdie, what you doing? What you doing, Birdie? Hmm? I wouldn't believe it if I didn't see it. You're funny. You're a funny bird. What you doing? Did you get a bath? It's not big enough, huh? Yeah, how is that? How is that? You stay right here because that dog will eat you. He's taking a bath. I can't believe this bird's taking a bath. It's happy now.
No, my bird bath with water.
Oh, I know. I was thinking. Oh, don't bite me. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. You happy bird. That's for damn sure. He sticks his whole head in. Look at him. He's taking a bath.
I wonder if, here, I have this bowl.
Don't fly away, because you're going to get all yucky. Ooh, yuck. What the fuck did you put in it? What'd you do, shit in it?
Probably. Unless you put it in this, if you would get it more.
I know. I don't set it for the dog, though. Just set it down, then go away. Set it down, then go away. Here, look. Look. Look at this bird. It's a wild bird, and it keeps landing on us. And we've been